Deploying a Django web application to Python Anywhere is a straightforward process, especially if you want to do it for free. Below, I guide you through the steps to deploy a simple Django app to Python Anywhere in about 5 minutes. Step 1. Prepare your Django app before deploying. Make sure your Django project is ready. Here's a simple structure. 1. Create a new Django project if you haven't already. Bash Django admin start project my project 8 my project Python manage p start tap me app. 2. Update settings. Pay your Django project. Set allowed hosts to include your Python Anywhere domain. Python allowed hosts your username Python Anywhere. Come if you were using a database. Consider using SQLite for simplicity or configure PostgreSQL if you need. Create a superuser to access the admin interface. Bash Python manage p create superuser. Step 2. Push your code to a Git repository. Python Anywhere allows you to pull from a Git repository. You can use GitHub, GitLab, or any other service. Push your code to your repository. Bash git add. Go to Python Anywhere Hub or Python Anywhere.com and sign up for a free account. Once registered, log into your dashboard. Step 4. Set up a new web app on Python Anywhere. 1. Create a new web app. Go to the Web tab in your Python Anywhere dashboard. Click on Add a new web app. Choose Manual Configuration and select Django. Configure the web app. Choose the version of Python you used for your Django project. Python Anywhere will create a new directory for your web app. Step 5. Pull your code from the repository. 1. Open a Bash console from the Python Anywhere dashboard. Navigate to your web apps directory. Bash to your username Python Anywhere.com. 3. Clone your Git repository. Bash git clone hops GitHub. Your username your repository. Git step 6. Install dependencies. 1. Create a virtual environment. Optional but recommended. Bash virtual env Python 3x replace with your version. 2. Activate your virtual environment. Bash work env. 3. Install your requirements. Bash your repository pip install requirements. Step 7. Configure WSGI file. 1. Open the WSGI configuration file found in the Web tab and modify it to point to your Django project. Open the fire the pow pow bow mo bill bow bill bow you bow bow It might look something like this: Python import, os import sys, add your project directory to the sys path, project home, home your username, your repository. If project home not in sys path, append project home, set the settings module os, environ Django settings module my project. Settings activate your virtual environment, activate this home URL something and virtualens mien bin activate this pyexopen activate this. Read dict file activate this from Django core osj import get osj application get osj application. Step 8 migrate your database. 1. Return to the bash console and run the migrations bash python manage py migrate. Step 9 collect static files. 1. Collect your static files to serve them bash python manage p collect static. Step 10 reload your web app. 1. Go back to the Web tab and click Reload on your web app. Step 11 access your Django app. Your Django web app should now be live. You can access it at your username pythonanywhere.com. Conclusion: you've successfully deployed a Django web app to Python Anywhere in just a few minutes. This tutorial provides a basic setup. Depending on your app's complexity, you may need to adjust your settings or configurations accordingly. Enjoy coding and deploying with Django.